Dad, if you're watching this, we are not racing. It is a cruise.
Yeah, you literally have like a belt.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, buddy, I see you on YouTube, bro. What's up with you, bro?
6 cops for that one Mustang. I don't know what the fuck that Mustang did, but... Let's go, chow boys. For today's video, we have highly requested girl content. We have my Z06, and we're taking... You want to introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Brianna.
Right now, we're going to a cruise. Dad, if you're watching this, we are not racing. It is a cruise. So it's my first time, actually second time, if y'all watched my live stream. Second time taking this shit out to a cruise, not a roll night. If there's racing, I'm not involved, so. I raced a Hellcat yesterday. Spanked that shit. M5, I spanked that shit. My boy Milk, C63, my bad bro, I had to do it to you, but I spanked that shit too. But yeah, this shit looks good.
Next video is gonna be me driving.
Oh hell no. She got me Red Bull.
We got iced
Vanilla. That's my favorite flavor. You don't like that flavor? No?
This is my shit right here.
Fuck no, that shit.
No! I got the wrong one.
Bruh.
I don't like sugar free.
Okay. Go get it.
Can I go get it?
Yeah, that's fine.
Wait. No!
The meet's supposed to start in a little bit. We got like a 30-minute drive. So I'm trying to hurry this shit up. I'm gonna set up the camera. We're doing the POV ride along like I always do. Hopefully she gets impressed by the car. I don't know what type of car she's been in, so we're gonna do all this. But thank y'all for 5.5K, bro. I'm sorry I've been slacking on videos. I love y'all boys so much. I've been doing streaming, so tap in with my Instagram if y'all not tapped in, and like the video because it actually helps me if y'all like the video. So right now I'm gonna set that camera up and we're gonna get the POV drive going. All right, so right before this, I fucking went to O'Reilly's, bro, and I had her help me put oil in because my shit was a little low. I was fucking sending pictures to James and shit. Like, bro,
Wait, we went 2 minutes before closing.
Yeah, bro, literally, it was closing. We got like 9 minutes to fucking when that shit starts, so I'm probably gonna have to haul a little ass. Yeah, I told her to,
like a random.
I told her to say the questions for the video because I picked her up like 30 minutes ago, something like that.
Yeah. What made you start TikTok? Why did you start TikTok? Why did you start like doing content?
I started in 2020. That was with my old Subaru. I had a WRX. That shit was auto. That was back in high school. So maybe
you had a what?
A WRX. So maybe before high school, like 2019, 2020, something like that. And then I just started making like shitty videos. Like they were shitty, like iPhone 11 and shit, iPhone 10. And it was like shitty quality.
What if I had an iPhone 11 or 10?
I'd say that shitty phone.
I'm not behind, guys.
You got the Pro Max?
Yes.
I got the deep blue Pro Max.
Me too.
Oh shit.
Looks like you just want to beat me so bad.
Bruh, I broke my screen like the other day when I was detailing because I don't have a case. I have nothing. I broke that.
Just be raw dogging it?
Yeah, I raw dog a lot.
Yeah? Me too.
She want me. She want me.
Oh fuck no.
I'm like, maybe it was like...
Nah, it's gonna get edited, so.
It's okay. It can stay in. Like, sorry to your dad.
I don't know, that shit became a hobby. It wasn't even like, and then that shit started picking up when I got this
But like
car.
when you started doing content, it was just like what? Like just your cars, like the outside?
Oh yeah, it was just like I've always done like cinematic videos kinda.
Okay.
Like following trends, and then once it started picking up with my Subaru, it wasn't like as big, but I would get like a couple thousand, like 5,000. And then once I got my Z, that's when I started hitting like 10,000, 20,000 views videos, like 100,000. I think that was like the first time I ever broke 100. And then now with this car, like a bad video for me is like 10,000 views on TikTok. So it's like that shit just picked up. But obviously my skills got better. But it's not even like I get paid besides live. I just started liking that shit way more. If y'all got a Corvette, you put the girl that you're picking up to the test. If they know how to open the door, you let them stay outside, or you tell them go home, bro. If they don't know
I didn't know.
So she passed the test. Bro, if your girl knows how to open a Corvette door. Oh yeah, she's like, can you open it for me? I don't know how. But yeah,
No, it's because I put my hand in there and I'm trying to like, there's nothing. Like, what do? You push it?
Nah, you like finger that shit.
What do you mean by that?
Suddenly, I'm a Corvette door.
Oh, say less.
I have one more question.
All right, go ahead.
Can we get food after?
Yeah.
Okay. I have not eaten. This is the only food of the day.
Oh no.
Okay, go.
Bro, I don't know how you like that flavor. That shit leaves like,
We can't try that one. I've actually never tried it.
I think it's good. I used to like the pink one a lot.
Mm-mm.
But this is like my.
Oh my god, that's like
big difference. Huh?
like cream.
Oh, it is?
You're drinking like cream, like vanilla cream with no flavor.
I love cream.
Me too.
You like, what do you like more?
Like exotic cars.
Oh, okay. So like the expensive ass cars and shit.
Okay, not expensive. Yeah, like more on that side. Like,
is my shit?
You told me.
Is my shit like qualified?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, my favorite movie because of my dad. Growing up, was the Joker. Like the Joker movies and Batman.
Oh,
like,
so like
every night, I remember. Yeah, you literally have like a.
Oh, yeah.
Like it's literally like. Like.
That's what everybody says.
How long have you had this car for?
Since July last year. So like 6-7 months. Alright. Oh, easy on me. We're here. We at the meet. This shit's fucking packed as fuck right now. A lot of Subarus. I got to piss so bad still.
Do you like Beamers or no?
I feel like they played out.
Okay, so you don't like M4, like a M340i.
They cool, but like they hella played out.
Like G82, shit like that.
Everybody got one.
Everyone got
Oh
one.
shit, what's good, bro?
We're farming or what?
Yeah, type shit.
You just got here. Is James here or what?
Nah, that was with
Oh,
a
you
girl,
did a
bro. Yeah, you're gonna be in the video. Where's your shit at?
It's right there in front of the gas station.
Oh, hell
like
yeah.
right under it.
Bro,
Where you gonna park it?
I have no idea right now.
Wait, Loki, I think this car's making a U.
Oh, bro. Oh, this shit is dead end. Fuck. Don't block me, bro. No, you can't come this way. Fuck. I'm pissed right now. She covered.
I can't hold it though.
Hey, your butt's rubbing against me. Oh shit. we gotta go.
Hey, bro, I see you on YouTube, bro. What's
Oh,
up,
I
bro?
appreciate you. Yeah.
You don't got like fake plates?
Fuck no. They're gonna put my ass over before everybody else. Ah, bro, look, this is ass, bro. We're literally fucking stuck in this bitch. I should have just parked at the gas station over there. Literally.
I didn't know there was 2 parking lots.
I would have just taken it if I knew I was gonna get stuck right here.
No one wants to line it up, guys.
I thought my exhaust disconnected. It's because it's rattling. It's like louder than usual, so I thought that shit disconnected. Just don't want to race, bro.
It's a girl?
Yeah.
That's shit loud as fuck.
Oh, it's the fucking chips, bro. I thought my car was fucking
My
up,
chips!
bro. I was like, bro, my car's fucking like misfiring or some shit, bro. And it's a fucking bag of chips, dog. Oh my, I thought my car was broken, bro. I was like, what the fuck does that mean? Like, bro, because I hear and I'm like, bro, my shit's fucking misfiring, like, motherfucker. Fucking hot Cheetos, bro.
Hot fries, and you chose them.
Okay, at least my car's not broken. Good, bro.
New spot.
We're at the second spot.
Unlocked.
Fucking gas station. Everybody's already there. Bro, we're far.
That's that same.
We're like halfway to Dago right now, bro.
I think that means we should just get a Airbnb.
You got work tomorrow? It just cuts to us at the B&B and shit. The video might be ending early.
Ending early, guys. We're gonna go to sleep. Go to sleep or get put to sleep.
Hey, we're just gonna drive around and war farm.
Alright.
So you can hear everybody
Okay.
scream my name. I'll be like, hey.
I'll be like, hey, chill. I'm gonna claim you right now. I'm gonna claim you. This time we learned our lesson. We're gonna park somewhere easily where we can get out.
Buy a fucking exit. That's what we're gonna do. Thank you, bro.
Since you do detailing, your car's always clean.
Yeah.
So if your car's ever dirty, it's just because you're like fucking lazy.
It's 30 right now. Alright, we're here. Hard part right in front of fucking Target.
I don't know what the guy said.
I don't know what he said either.
Maybe he just wants me, huh?
It's kind of just me right now. I don't know where my fucking friends are.
Right here. That's so rude.
What? Oh, sorry. I should have brought a hoodie. I didn't.
I know, I'm really cold too.
Really?
Maybe, you know, next time bring like an extra one when you're gonna like, you know.
Oh, sorry.
I like when cars look like little bugs, like their headlights, and then like the nose. Like your car looks mean.
Oh yeah.
Like other cars look like bug.
Bug?
Like a bug. Like, you know how buggies look like bugs?
I have no idea what you're saying.
What about like those little tiny cars where they look like a Supra? When you seen the Supra, like the front of it looks like a little nose.
Oh. No. I still don't
okay,
know. James is supposed to be right here. Motherfucker, I'm not gonna expose what he's doing, but y'all probably know what he's doing. That was a Supra that didn't want to race me, the girl.
Oh, the say.
Yeah, say.
What happened?
Nothing.
What happened?
Nothing.
What happened? Tell me right now.
Oh my god.
We gotta go over there.
Oh, your fucking wheel locked up, fool.
But I was recording it.
It look expensive. I don't know what it's called, but it look expensive. I'm gonna go park my car behind us so we all look at my car too. Oh my god. Bro, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cops. This shit happened like last night, bro. Oh my, there's 7, fool. Alright, we're at like the 3rd spot right now.
It's currently 1:36.
It's late as fuck. There's one last spot we're going to, and then we're probably gonna go get food. 6 cops for that one Mustang. I don't know what the fuck that Mustang did, but I got my shit in tour mode. Fuck all that, bro.
Oh, look inside the car. See you guys when we're munching and grubbing, because I've been waiting all day for this. This is all I've been waiting for.